All right, today we're going to take a look at an interesting little Zippo. Okay, this one arrived in the plain Zippo regular black box, and the label on this thing says skull with patch and web, or with patch web. So there is the little Zippo with the skull. Kind of a pirate skull on a ace of spades. You can see the patch on his left eye and the web in his right eye. Got a gold tooth. Pretty cool looking Zippo. This one was made in, looks like G of 17, so that's about a year ago. G is July. It's on a brushed chrome finish with a good, really good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a lit lit drop test. Okay, so it passes the lit drop test easily. That is the skull with patch and web. On an ace of spades, and he's got a gold tooth. So this Zippo, as every genuine Zippo made in the USA, deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.